Hello, this is Jungleaf. I hope you all are good. In this video, I am going to show you how to create shoes poster design using Photoshop. You need a shoes PNG for this poster design, like this. Now select the background layer and give it a nice gradient. I am choosing light colors for this gradient. It's good. Now select the text tool and click right here. Now type the text you want to. And now type the second text. Make it a little larger. It's good. Now place it right here. The text should be behind the subject. Now make it a little more larger. I think it's good. Now place the Nike right here. It is looking good now. Now create a new layer and place it below the subject and the text. Now take the brush tool and select this type of brushes. I am choosing this one. Now make the brush little larger. Let's select the color from the shoes itself, so it will look more natural. I am choosing the color from the lace. It's good. Keep the flow and smoothing close to 50%, like this. Now draw like this. It will take time if you are using your mouse for it. If you have pen tablet, then it will be much more easier for you to draw. Keep drawing like this. Now let me just draw it. You can take your time to draw, like me. I think it's good. Now select it and choose the brush tool and choose the darker tone of the same color to make the shadow. Now create a new layer and choose a soft rounded brush. Zoom it a little bit. And keep the settings same. And now draw like this. It's too light, I think. Now let's choose the darker tone. I think it's good. Now our shadow is completed. Now select the text tool and let me just place the text right here. Now change the color to brown. I am choosing all colors from the shoes itself, so it will look more natural. And now just create a shadow right here. Now select the color. Select the darker tone of the same color. It's good, I think. Now add a new layer and let me just create a element here. It will give the vibe to the poster. You can just type and select the font which look like the handwriting, but I am writing by myself. Now select these and place it right here. It's looking good, I think. You can change the size of the font and now this place is quite empty, so let's make a geometrical shape to fill the empty space. Let me just grab the scale tool right here and select the rectangle tool and make rectangle. Change the color. You can draw any geometrical shape you want to. I am just randomly making the shape. Place it right here. Now make it a little smaller. Now it's looking good. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you really liked the video, then subscribe to my channel, and that's it for now.